Have you ever wanted to experience the power of wild swimming? Here is an easily accessible spot for you to come and enjoy in the Peak District, and I'm going to show you where. Come on. Nestled in the beautiful Peak District in Derbyshire, this wild swimming spot looks like a swimming pool, but was originally constructed by farmers to clean their sheep before shearing. The River Bradford flows through the village of Youlgreave, offering crystal clear waters that are perfect for a wild swim. This river is fed by natural springs, ensuring the water remains refreshingly cool and clear even on the hottest summer days. Whether you're a seasoned wild swimmer or just looking for a refreshing dip, this spot has something for everyone. One of the best things about swimming here is the accessibility, being only a short walk from the local village and entry into the water being achievable for people of all ages. The area around the river is also perfect for a leisurely walk. After a refreshing swim, there's nothing better than relaxing by the river with a picnic. There is plenty of space where you can sit back, enjoy the view and listen to the soothing sounds of the water. Not surprisingly, on sunny days this spot gets very busy, so come early or prepare to share the space.
Oh, you popped up further across than I thought you were going to be.
Youlgreave is about 10 minutes from Bakewell and 20 minutes from Matlock, both stunning and popular parts of the Peak District. Parking in Youlgreave is limited, so please keep that in mind and be considerate of the locals. We actually parked at a well-maintained car park just up the road with toilets called Coldwell End. There is a small fee that can be paid via an honesty box or parking app, but it was well worth the money. From the car park, it is a short walk down the hill from the main street into Youlgreave. The best way is via Brookleton off Holywell Lane. At the end of Brookleton, there is a small gate and a path that leads down the hill to the swimming area. I'll put all the Google map links in the description. So if you're ever in the Peak District, make sure to visit Youlgreave and experience this magical wild swimming spot for yourself. Don't forget to respect the natural environment and leave no trace so that everyone can enjoy this beautiful place. Thank you ever so much for watching. Hopefully that inspires you to go out into nature and find somewhere safe that you can enjoy in the beautiful countryside. If you enjoyed that, the YouTube algorithm thinks you'll enjoy this video next. Go on, give it a click.